Welcome to this lesson on addition with place value understanding. In this video, we will solve and explain two 3-digit additions in 3 different ways. First, we will build intuition with a place value table from ones to billions. Then, we will solve the first 3-digit problem using the standard algorithm, using place value decomposition, and using a number line jump strategy. Next, we will repeat the 3 methods for a second 3-digit problem that crosses 1,000. Finally, we will go further with a larger place value example that reaches all the way to the billions place to see how carries flow across many places. Here is a place value row from ones to billions. Each box is a place. The colors group related places. Green for tens, red for hundreds, violet for thousands, cyan for millions, and pink for billions. We read numbers by stacking digits into these places, starting from the right with ones, then tens, then hundreds, and so on to the left. Let us model a big example just to see the layout. Suppose we have the number 2,345,678,901. Notice how each digit sits directly above its matching place. This helps us add correctly, one column at a time, carrying when a column makes 10 or more. Now for our first 3-digit addition, 358 plus 476. We will solve this in 3 different ways. Method 1 is the standard vertical algorithm with carries. In the standard algorithm, we add ones first, then tens, then hundreds. 8 plus 6 equals 14. We write 4 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Next, 5 tens plus 7 tens, plus the carried 1 10 makes 13 tens. We write 3 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds. Finally, 3 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 100 equals 8 hundreds. The result is 834. Method 2, place value decomposition. We split each number into hundreds, tens, and ones. 300 plus 50 plus 8, and 400 plus 70 plus 6. Then we add hundreds with hundreds, tens with tens, and ones with ones. 700 plus 120 plus 14. We regroup 120 plus 14 as 134 and add it to 700 to get 834. Method 3, number line jumps. Start at 476, then jump by 300, then by 50, then by 8. This shows the same result while keeping the tens and ones bundled nicely. Problem 2, 629 plus 387. We will again use 3 methods. First, the standard vertical algorithm. This one is great because it crosses 1,000. Ones first, 9 plus 7 equals 16. Write 6 in ones, carry 1 to tens. Tens, 2 tens plus 8 tens plus 1 10 equals 11 tens. Write 1 in tens and carry 1 to hundreds. Hundreds, 6 hundreds plus 3 hundreds plus 100 equals 10 hundreds, which is 1,000 and 0 hundreds. We write 0 in hundreds and carry 1 to the thousands place. The final answer is 1,016. Method 2, place value decomposition again. 600 plus 20 plus 9, added to 300 plus 80 plus 7. Group hundreds, tens, and ones. 900 plus 100 plus 16. That is 1,000 plus 16, which equals 1,016. Method 3, compensation or friendly numbers. We adjust 387 up to 400 by adding 13, then subtract that 13 after adding. 629 plus 400 gives 1,029, and subtract 13 brings us down to 1,016. This is a powerful mental strategy. Now, let us wrap up with a more difficult example that uses the full place value table from ones to billions. We will add 2,345,678,901 and 987,654,321. We will add column by column, showing how carries ripple to the next place. Ones, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Tens, 0 plus 2 equals 2. Hundreds, 9 plus 3 equals 12. Write 2, carry 1. Thousands, 8 plus 4 plus 1, carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. 10,000s, 7 plus 5 plus 1, carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Hundred thousands. 6 plus 6 plus 1 carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Millions. 5 plus 7 plus 1 carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. 10 millions. 4 plus 8 plus 1 carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. 100 millions. 3 plus 9 plus 1 carry equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Billions. 2 plus 0 plus 1 carry equals 3. The final sum is 3,333,333,222. Let us summarize the 3 addition methods. 1. The standard vertical algorithm, where we add from right to left and carry to the next place. 2. Place value decomposition, where we add hundreds with hundreds, tens with tens, and ones with ones, then regroup. 3. Number line or compensation, where we make friendly jumps or temporarily adjust a number to simplify mental addition. No matter the method, the place value table from ones to billions keeps our thinking organized. Practice switching methods so you can choose the best strategy for any problem, from simple 3-digit sums to big multi-digit numbers with many carries. Before we end, here is a quick challenge to try on your own using the 3 methods, 495 plus 308. Try to compute it mentally with compensation by moving 308 up to 310, then subtracting 2. Also try the decomposition method and the standard algorithm to confirm your answer. Keep practicing, and addition across any place value will feel natural.